We'll guide you through how to use the multiply formula in Excel. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Using a formula to multiply cells together is quick and convenient, and it saves you from having to do it. So to go and get started, open up the Excel file you want to do this in. Go and select the cell you want to do this in, and then what you need to do is press equals as writing a formula. So the first formula you can use is we need to go and select the first cell we want to do this with, then go and add in the asterisk star icon. For me, that's holding shift and then 8. Select the cell you want to multiply it with, and you can then add it again and choose another cell. Press enter and you'll go and get the answer. Now, you can actually go and use a different formula for this as well. So you can press equals, type in product, and then open bracket. And what you can then do is click, hold and drag and select the cells you're doing this with. Release, and then you can go and put in a close bracket. Press enter and it'll be done. We can then go and drag down and repeat it. If you found this useful, then leave a like.